Go.
Hi, I am Benedict. This is my little sister Gianna holding the tiger. And we're gonna sing happy birthday to you, Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
Okay, why don't you sing together? 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
How about Gianna's turn?
Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Birthday, dear Daddy. Birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
Are you?
One. Are you two? Are you? No. Are you? No. Are you five?
Okay, Gianna's turn.
Wait.
Are you 1? 1? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6? We love you, Daddy.
Daddy.
Happy birthday. Say, happy birthday. Happy?
I don't want.
Okay.
No, because of Gianna.
Okay, bye-bye now. Say,
Bye.
we love you, Daddy. We love you.
No.
Okay, we love you, Daddy.
No.
Ayan, nagkagulo na po. This is the tiger. Bye. Happy birthday, Daddy. We love you. Roar.